Hey everybody, it's Erin from Living Blooms, and I'm going to show you guys a quick spring refresh. This is a planter with just a leftover Sansevieria, and we're going to plant this first beautiful Gays Delight Coleus. It's got a very pretty chartreuse leaf and a beautiful string of purple in its veining. I'm going to put it right here over on the left corner and make some room for what's coming next is my Mona Lavender. It's got a dark leaf and a beautiful offset of lavender purple, dark purple bloom. I'm going to tuck this over here on the right corner on the side of this Sansevieria. Just making some more room, getting prepared for our other plants. So our next plant is this beautiful purple sensation Calla Lily. It's just got breathtaking blooms of deep purple that are just gonna really be the showcase of this planter. Now break up the root ball on the bottom and make some room and position the plant up front so that all the blooms are nice and pretty. And next here we have coral colored Impatiens. The majority of this plant, this planter is going to be mostly shade with some highlight. So these Impatiens are just going to be a beautiful combination in this color combo planter. So I'm going to put one right there by the Coleus to offset that beautiful chartreuse of the Coleus, and then make some room on the other side below this Mona Lavender and pop it in right here, and it fits really nicely right here. And just tuck in any of the roots. And lastly, we have Snow and Summer Jasmine. This is just a beautiful Asiatic jasmine I like to use as a spiller. It's just got a dark green, white, and a touch of pink, really delicate leaves that are just add a beautiful light touch for a spiller of this planter. And the last one goes right here in the center of the planter between the two coral Impatiens. And I'm just gonna kind of clean up the leaves and make sure everything is where it needs to be, and make sure no dirt's around, and kind of I guess you would say just fluff up some of the leaves and the calla flowers, and make sure everything looks great. And really, there you have it. Thank you guys, and follow along for more tutorials of how to make some spring planters like this. Hope you guys like it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow us, and ask any questions if you need to.